Hello YouTube. Done this before. Going to do it again. This is the White Lightning Challenge. For every box sold, 50 meals go to folks who need it. I have a lot to say. Everybody's done this. I've done this before. There's not much to add. I'm just going to go ahead and try and eat these chocolates. We'll see how it goes. I haven't prepped. It's been about 2 months since I've had a spicy challenge. Maybe I did one that failed, but I don't recall. It's been a while. I haven't been doing spicy stuff lately. In any event, here we go. This is cracking like no. Okay. Here's the bar. It's falling apart in its container. Gonna snack it all up and eat it. 2020 White Lightning Challenge. Here we go. Delicious chocolate, super hot. Not a lot to be said beyond that. Beautiful packaging. Still chewing it. That one's gone. I'm going for number 2 now. This is the second time. The second one came apart a lot better than the first one. And they've all been treated the same way. Weird. Surprise, guys. Oh, it's hot. Oh, shit. Three white lightnings down. Really uncomfortable. I don't Have a nice day. Have a nice day.